Hi, and welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. We are in Hays, Kansas at the newer Marriott TownePlace Suites. So we are almost the midway point. Well, if you look on the map, Hays, Kansas is western Kansas, but it's kind of halfway between Kansas City and Denver. So anyway, I just walked in, and it's a little tight when you first walk in, but you'd be surprised how many amenities they fit in here. So my back is literally pressed up against the hotel room door, and they have a 3/4 size fridge, and we are in one of their studios, room 221, and here's kind of a little view down this kind of kitchenette. So now my back is pressed up against the refrigerator, and they have a little coat rack here that they have little flip down coat hooks, and then a full size mirror. So in these drawers, I'm not going to bother opening them for you, but there are cups and silverware, plates, things like that for up to 4 people. And then there is the smallest selection of utensils and pots and pans, but it is enough to make an easier meal in. They have a little 2-burner cooktop, a dishwasher, sink. It does come with all kinds of coffee supplies, a toaster, and then a microwave. And this kind of gives you some idea. In all of these drawers, I've got the phone upright instead of horizontal because this room is tall and skinny, and we tried it, and this is the better way to see it. So anyway, and then across from the kitchen is this closet that's actually really one of the nicer closets I've seen in this. This is one of the newer concept TownePlace suites, and the closet has like this rack up here, double rack there, little pull-out drawer, and the bed linens for the pull-out sofa, and then your ironing board. This room, even though it is one of their studios, does sleep for, it's a king-size bed with a pull-out couch. So there's the door I came in. And we'll turn back around. Another view of the kitchen. It even comes with like dish soap and paper towels and all that kind of stuff. So then here's the desk. It does roll out, so you aren't actually squished in there like that. Lots of workspace then, because you have the desk that rolls out, and then you also have this countertop. Here is the couch, which folds out into a queen bed, and then the ottoman rolls around, and you have this little sliding top, so you can use it like as a coffee table, or you can remove it to be an ottoman. And then here you have the king-size bed, and both nightstands are like 3-drawer storage nightstands with individual lamps. The clock radio does have USB ports, and the lamps have outlets. So now moving back around with my back to the window, there's the bathroom, and then the flat screen that pulls out and can shift either direction towards the couch or the bed, and a much better view of the little narrow but efficient kitchenette we just walked through. And then the bathroom is really nice. So it's got these really beautiful quartz countertops. And then it has like some basic toiletry amenities here. It does have some storage, and then also your blow dryer, and then a really big, very updated and cool shower, and then tons of towels. And lately, because it's the tail end of COVID, it's March 2021, they are currently not doing housekeeping during your stay unless you specifically request it. Also, little note on this property while I give you another 360 view of the room. We just checked in. Again, we're in Hays, Kansas. I'm not sure why. If you know why, feel free to comment. But when we checked in, usually I've never seen a Marriott property that didn't have like at least some kind of little market when you first check in, and that always sells alcohol, at least a small selection of like beer and wine. And we checked in, and she said this property does not sell alcohol, and that the only place that we could get a drink at this point in time, which it is late, it's 10:30 on a Friday night in Hays, Kansas, is the actual liquor store. So if you happen to be in this neck of the woods, and you're used to like getting into your hotel room and being able to grab a drink, you will not be able to do that at this property. So stop at the liquor store first if that is something that is important to you. Anyway, that's it. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment or a question, and thank you for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. Again, this was the Marriott TownePlace Suites in Hays, Kansas.